Hello again, and welcome back. This is the introduction to the Java programming language, a presentation of coding boot camps. In this session, which is session 8, we are defining classes using inheritance. In our previous lesson, we discussed the basics of how Java implements inheritance. So let's discuss abstract classes. An abstract class is a class that contains one or more abstract methods. So an abstract method is a method that is declared but contains no implementation. It looks just like the method header, and that's it. Abstract classes are useful for ensuring consistency across your application, across your number of classes. Abstract classes are not instantiated and require subclasses to provide implementations for the abstract methods. So let's take a look here. We see an abstract class here, and we can see that it has just a standard method, has another standard method here, but right here we have an abstract method called makeNoise. And if we see here, there are two classes here, one called dog, one called cow, and the dog class extends animal, and we can see here it's using the abstract method. In this case now, it does have a code block. So we can see how this looks back to the abstract class and enforces the compliance here. So we have a makeNoise method. Same thing here with the cow class. It extends animal. And we see here it has the makeNoise method. Both of the code blocks in these implementations are different. If you look closely, they're different. So let's take a look at an example. So this is another example of using the abstract classes. So we can see here we have a class here called dessert item, an abstract class. And in this case, there are three abstract methods. And if we look here, we have a class candy, which extends the dessert item, and it is looking to make sure that the abstract methods are included. If we just comment out one of the methods that's supposed to be there, we should get some kind of an error message. And we are. If we go back up here now, there's an error in the candy class. And if we hover over here, we'll see that candy must implement the inherited abstract method. And it tells us here, set num. Oh, okay, so we can see the enforcement right there. So we'll take away the comment block, put it back, and we'll save. And now that the abstract method is present in the candy class, that has resolved all of the errors. So we will take a look at this when we do our lab assignment, and also please stay tuned for the next lesson.